everyone, I am Vibhorpit Parida. Here I am standing in front of you to show an amazing science experiment. So let's begin. I will prepare an artificial rainbow. So first I will take a box and open it. Then I have taken a compact disc. Now I am holding the CD on the top of this box. Then I have taken a flashlight and switched it on. I have flashed light on the CD. Watch what happened. Now here we can see an artificial rainbow is being created inside the box. The CD acts like a rainbow creator here. The CD has teeny lines on it that plays with the light. It's like a prism, which is a rainbow maker. When light passes through it, it undergoes diffraction, a process of bending waves of light, and separate it into its component colors. The result is a rainbow, which is individual colors of light, from violet to red. The same thing happens when it rains, while the sun is shining in the sky. The raindrops act as prisms, converting sunlight into 7 colors of Vivier. Vivier stands for violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. And we see a beautiful rainbow on the clouds. Thank you.